The time farm airdrop is one of the most talked about airdrop right now in the play to earn industry. With a growing community, in this video, I'll be doing a honest review about the time farm airdrop, my stake. And if you want to join on this very airdrop, I will leave the link in the description of this very video. Check it out and join right now. That will be the first link. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. First thing first is, so if you join through the link, first thing first is to check the community. So if you click on join the community right here, you see that there are about 10.7 million subscribers already, okay, and getting information on this very airdrop. Like I said, this airdrop just started. If you read this very last message, hold for TGE, play for upgrades to generate more seconds, or pay for microservices on time farm. TGE is going to come, but that very announcement have not been made by the time farm team, and this is very important. So 10.7 million subscribers already, and what we want to do right here is, if you notice, this very number is 13 million persons have interacted with this very application. And clicking on this very open app, so if I click on this, it takes maybe few seconds for this to open, and when it opens right here, you come right to home page. So on the home page, you're going to see my balance right here, which will also reflect the same thing on your own. And the next thing is, you see farming. So farming in progress, it takes about 3 hours for the farming to be completed, and then you can claim. And once you claim, it will add to your balance, which will also reflect here, which is what we call the seconds. One thing very important right here is, if you click on this upgrade, so if I click on upgrade, you see this upgrade here, see assistant. So this is free, which I have selected already. If you look at this very one, pendulum club, okay, this is 2x token every 4 hours. So it will times 2 my tokens every 4 hours when I am mining. Let's say, for example, if I mine 1,000, it will times 2 that 1,000 in every 4 hours. And I need 1 million seconds to get this, but I don't want to do this right now because I have just 1.6 million seconds. And if you go above this and click on boost, so under the boost section right here, you see farming booster times 2 for 1 day. So if you want to times 2 your farming for 1 day, you can do this with 0.2 ton, or you can see others right here. And the next one here is farming booster 2 times 2 for 3 days, which is 0.5 ton. And we have this very one 2 times 3 farming speed for 7 days, which is 1 ton. And the list go on to this very one times 4 for 30 days, which is 3 ton. One thing that is also very important here is, don't just pay money and begin to do ton transaction for airdrop that you are not very certain about. It is fine if you just do the normal stuff, and then when you are satisfied that this airdrop is going to pay and is going to pay well, then you can use very small amount of money, especially the one that you know that you can afford to lose, which is very important. The next one here is this very clock. You see sun clock time X token every 4 hours, which is free. I've selected that. And if you go down, you see pendulum clock times 2 token every 4 hours, which is 1 million, which I don't want to do as well. The assistant, if I should use any ton for this, I can possibly go for assistant. I'm going to show you in the video that I'm going to do that. Farmer's assistant. If you look at this, your personal assistant who will automatically start farming and claim rewards, and it will take you 1 ton. Okay, so you can buy it right here, and this is the one I will possibly do, so that in as much as I'm not available on Telegram, it will be mining and claiming reward for me. And the next thing here is, if you come to this very tax section, so if you come to this tax section, you can see that if I go to this completed, you see the tax that I have already completed on this very airdrop, which they are numerous. And if I come back to this very active section, you see all that tasks that I have done, which is still verifying. You can see it right here. So I can claim this very one. So other tax is still verifying. I can also start the ones that just appear newly here as well. So this is very important. Just come to this very tax section and perform the necessary tags. These videos are very simple to watch. For example, this very first one, I can just click on it, and then once I click on it, it will be moving for about few seconds, and after then the total amount of seconds attached to this very video will be rewarded to me, and it will be added to my balance. It's as simple as that, and this is so simple, and you can do it at your leisure. And you can see that 10,000 seconds have been added to my balance. I can also do this very one as well. So this video will take you just few seconds. This one, I will just click on this, and you see that 10,000 seconds have also been added to my balance. I can also do other tasks I can see right here. So ensure you do your tax, and by so doing, you'll be getting seconds. The next thing here is friends. So if you refer your friends, you also get some seconds and get the seconds of the friend they refer. The next thing here is activity. If you look at activity, activity shows the number of friends each person have referred in a particular month. Let's say, for example, top by friends in November. This person here, which is the number one, Cora, have referred 104,215 friends this very month of November, and the list keep going right away till the downside. And you can start referring your friends as well and get commission from their friends and their friends. And the next one here is your end section. If you come to this end section, one thing very important here is the staking and the store. If you come to this staking section, you see that the staking section lock up a certain amount of digital asset for a specific period to earn a reward. So if I stake, let's say for example I want to stake, and let's say I want to stake for 15 days, and then I click continue, and then I put 25% of my entire balance, and then click continue. You can see that in 15 days, I'll receive 2% APR, okay? And then I will click stick. Remember, this 2% equivalent of 8,649 seconds that I will earn in 15 days of staking. And I will just go ahead and stake. So once I stake, say you have successfully started staking, and this will count for 15 days. After 15 days, they will automatically unlock this very portion to my balance plus the reward. So this is how you stake on time farm, and you can discover that my balance have reduced because I staked. And the next thing here is your wallet. So if you come to this wallet section, you discover that right on this wallet section, this is where you can connect your Ton wallet. For mine, I have already connected my Ton wallet. I can decide to disconnect. So if I disconnect and I said, are you sure you want to disconnect your Ton wallet? I say, yes, I want to disconnect. So I've disconnected. Let me connect again to show you. So I will click on it, and then my Ton keeper, right on this Ton keeper, I will then connect. And then from here, it will initiate the connection. And right now, you see, I have connected again. Now, one thing very important about AirDrop, please don't use your primary wallet for AirDrop, okay? Ensure that the wallet you're using for AirDrop is specifically for AirDrop, and don't put any dime there, except you want to do a transaction. You can transfer some money into that very wallet for that transaction, and that's all, except you want to lose your money. And this is very important for all of us doing any kind of airdrop at all. So this is how you connect your wallet and also earn. We will talk about staking. If you look at this store section on that end, it is covered that you can farm, which is what I talked about in the previous section, which is farm assistance. So you can buy this with 1 ton, which I don't want to do right now. And if you come back to the home page, you see upgrade. I don't want to upgrade right now. I can do this in the near future, maybe putting in maybe 10 or 20, $30 as the case may be into this airdrop, but that will be very, very much later in the near future. And when I do that, I'll also show you guys as well. So the time farm airdrop, I think, is going to pay. It is a legit airdrop. Please don't use Ton to buy anything or to purchase anything if you are not willing to lose that very amount. Remember Crypto 101, invest what you can afford to lose. I believe the least $100 can come out of this very airdrop if you take it very seriously without putting in any amount of money. This is very important, and if you put in some money, you can get the $200, $300, $500 as the case may be. Nobody knows. And this is all about the time farm airdrop, my honest review. I think this airdrop is going to pay in the near future. Consider jumping on board. The link in the description of this very video. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Also join our Telegram channel with a link in the description and also in the pinned comment for more crypto news, investing, and day trading strategies. Thanks for watching.